I'm going to explain to you why real estate, property, that's correct, is a bad investment. Real estate is a real bad investment. Why? Because people don't know what they're doing with it. You know, people think just because they own a property, they're going to make money from it. I tell you, most of the people who make the least amount of money from property investing is when their biggest investment is their home that they live in. Old way of thinking is property investing makes me money. That's not true. All of these people who invested like that, all that happens is government changes one rule and boom, these guys are out. Yeah, I'm talking about Section 24. That's just one rule. Many rules change, many economies and cycles come and it wipes all of these people out. Here's the thing, can it be a good investment? Absolutely. If you ask me, after investing in myself, is the number one investment. The second best thing to invest in is other people, to build businesses like real entrepreneurs, and that's what we teach people to do, real and build real property businesses. Third thing is real estate. So here's some of the things that you're going to need to know if you want to make it successful. Number one is the income opportunities that it generates, not when you live in it yourself, but when other people live in it and they will pay down your mortgage that you own, and then you will have profit left for you. Diversification is another one. Most people think to diversify, I must be doing crypto, multi-level marketing, stocks, trading, all of these different things. Listen, you can diversify in real estate perfectly well. Why? Because there are different strategies. There is a buy-to-let, there is HMOs, higher cash flow, studios, apartments. You can do flipping to get capital. You can do rent-to-service accommodation, so you don't even need to own the property. You can be making £1,000 a month from not even owning a property. Leverage, bang, let's hit that one out of the park, because leverage is beautiful in this game. In fact, I myself, the first £6 million of our portfolio, used zero money. I just leveraged the bank's money, credit cards, other creative ways, other people's money, investors' money, joint venture money, and many people have raised millions, that's correct, millions of private investor finance to fund and leverage building their business and building their empire, not just buying a property here or there. I'm talking a real business with real systems, with real people in it. Tax advantages. I'll tell you something, having a business with real estate in it brings so many advantages just in the normal operation of a business. But now we kind of tap into the incentives that the government is giving us on tax advantages, giving us discounts on VATs, only charging us 5% VATs on HMOs, 0% VAT on new builds, capital allowances. This is a big one for commercial properties. They will literally be giving us money and allowing us to make tax-free money. That's correct, tax-free money. The government incentivizes us to do this when we do commercial property. Real estate can be an amazing opportunity for you to fuel the life that you want to live. Like if your biggest investment is your home, I'm just urging you to go think again, because that definitely should not be your biggest investment. The biggest investment should be in yourself, number one, but then also your portfolio, and it can diversify across many different things. So there you go. When you know what you're doing and you do it like an entrepreneur, not like the old way of thinking as a property investor, these guys fail, plus they don't make no money anyway, no serious money. An entrepreneur, they make serious money through tax advantages, through scaling, through being hands-off, from being strategic, from working on the business, not in the business. If this has been useful, hit the like button, smash the share button. Let's get this information to as many people as possible, because we want to build the best community out there. We are the only number one, 100% active community of property entrepreneurs, real people making real money and adding real value. So if you want to be a part of that, you message us, you reach out, you let us know. Till next time, do the right thing for the right reason, because that's the only way you're going to discover your true potential.